Asunnostoskeittiö Aarensalpa.
Yeah, today it's 9th of September 2021. We had Raappavuorenkuja 8, the case F. No, it's E actually.
Yeah.
And then this is here Martinlaakso, modernized länsi Vantaa, any else case. Possibly General Usimanin. Now 5 floors here, it was built in 1972 by ValmetSchlieren, turning 50 years old in next year, 2022, and the SIM number is VS2882. Excuse me. It weighs 4 persons at 320 grams with 5 floors. Yeah. It's a different font on the doors for the ground floor and then the second, third floors.
Yeah.
The 4 has the different one. Maybe that P and 2 and 3 were changed also sometime. Or, I don't know. That is weird.
Yeah.
But they look very old though, so I don't know. I don't see any signs of those, of this type of them on the other doors.
Yeah. Inspected parkki-wise, maintained by Suomen hissiurakoon.
Yeah. It is very much likely that the floor numbers are all original, but they just put different fonts for some reason.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.